Tiramisu is a coffee-flavored Italian dessert. It is made of ladyfingers dipped in coffee, layered with a whipped mixture of eggs, sugar, and mascarpone cheese, flavored with cocoa. The recipe has been adapted into many varieties of cakes and other desserts. Its origins are often disputed among Italian regions Veneto and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Tiramisu appears to have been invented in the late 1960s or early 1970s. In the Veneto, it is often said that it was invented by the restaurateur du Campiale, his wife Alba di Pillo, and another chef at La Beccaria, a restaurant in Treviso. The dish was added to their menu in 1972. Specifically, the dish is claimed to have first been created by a confectioner named Roberto Linguinato, chef of La Beccaria. La Beccaria is supposed to have invented it on 24 December 1969. It is sometimes claimed that tiramisu has aphrodisiac effects and was served in brothels in Treviso. The word appears in print in Italian in 1980 and in English in 1982. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.